Hey guys, 39 Camper here, and after winning Woodham's 50 sub contest, some of the stuff he sent me inspired me to build a repair kit, a kit that was just dedicated for repairing gear, clothes, packs, things like that. And I'm kind of shouting out to you guys for a little bit of help. This is what I've come up with so far, but I'm not quite sure how much of each stuff that I want to put in there or how I want to store it. I thought about some type of a tin, some type of small pouch. I really don't want to throw everything in a Ziploc baggie. So I kind of want to go over through this stuff, and then maybe some of you guys can send me some comments or some PMs and give me some suggestions. So first of all, here I got about a foot of Velcro. Now this is the, let's see, this is the, it's got the tape on the one side, but it's both ends of the Velcro, and that's about a foot of that. I'll probably roll that up so it's in a smaller package there. I got about 15 foot of duct tape, and that's wrapped around a card. I have the repair needles that I got from Chris. I'm not going to put all of them in there. I would like to have one of the hook ones and a couple of the stout ones in there. Over here I have some, you're not going to be able to see that. Anyways, this is just a couple of smaller fine detail needles, a couple of small thread. I figured this would be handy out in the woods. It's just a easier way to thread your line into the needle. Some safety pins. The wax sail twine that Chris had got me. Now I don't want to use all of it, so what would be a good length? So that's another question, because I'd like to use some of it for maybe some other kits and some other projects. Over here is just some more needles, fine detail needles that I haven't figured out how many of them that I want. I got a roll of 50-pound monofilament fishing line, and again, this is another thing of thinking about how much I should put in here and how to store it. Should I roll it up? I'm not sure. This is why I'm shouting out to you guys. So I definitely want that in there. This over here is just regular nylon twine. This is really strong and thin. Not sure how much I want to put in here, so that's another good question. Over here I have some silicone glue, which I'll probably just keep in this container here. And I got a toggle, little wooden toggle with a with an eye there, and then last is the glue, homemade pine and charcoal glue that Chris had sent me, and I'm thinking about cutting a stick down a little bit farther so it's a little bit more compact. Or I've never used this, I've never made it. I don't know if I could start melting it and put some of it on a smaller stick, so I would have like a small glob to put into a small repair kit. Now I have repair kits in my backpack, just some sewing needles, some thread, some twine, and then I always got fishing line and stuff with me. But I wanted a kit that was dedicated just for repairs, because there's always something out there, and there's always something out there that breaks or needs repair. So if you guys can send me some ideas, I'm thinking about putting a few buttons in here too, just for like shirts or jackets. But other than that, that's it. You guys send me some comments, send me some messages, let me know how I should store it. I'm thinking about a tin, something bigger than an Altoids tin, or maybe some type of zip pouch. So that's it, guys. Take care and be safe. Ooh. Teriyaki noodles are done. We'll just let that stay warm.